In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Ikea credit card payment. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from your cart to entering your card details smoothly and securely. Start by opening your web browser and searching for the official Ikea website. Click the genuine result and make sure you see a secure connection in your address bar. Once you're on the site, sign into your profile. If you're not already signed in, look to the right-hand side of the page for the profile icon. Click it. Then enter your username and your password to access your account. A quick tip, double check for typos, especially if your browser autofills your credentials. With your account open, look again to the right-hand side of the header for the cart icon. Click your cart to review what's inside. Confirm the items, quantities, and prices, then select Go to Checkout to move forward. Before you can pay, IKEA will ask you to arrange your details and services. This ensures your order is handled the way you want. Under Services, you'll see the question, how would you like to receive your order? Choose the option that suits you best, such as delivery or store pickup. Your choice can impact timing and any extra fees, so pick the one that matches your plans. After making your selection, acknowledge the terms and conditions by checking the confirmation box. Read them if you're unsure about fees, returns, or service details. When everything looks right, click Continue to Payment. On the payment page, select debit/credit card as your payment method. Now carefully enter your credit card number exactly as it appears on your card, with no spaces if the form doesn't add them automatically. Next, type in the expiration date in the required month and year format. Enter the CVV, which is the 3-digit security code on the back of most cards. Finally, add the cardholder name just as it appears on the card. Make sure the name matches your bank's records to avoid declines. Before proceeding, take a moment to review all your entries. Confirm your order summary, your chosen delivery or pickup option, and the terms you accepted. Small mistakes like a swapped digit or an incorrect date are common reasons payments fail. That's it. You've signed in, reviewed your cart, set up your services, and entered your card details. From here, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. If anything doesn't look right, use the back options to adjust before finalizing. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!